Okay, so AC heat strips. Let's reset it. Yep, it's definitely tripped. Okay, it's back on. Alrighty everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on this Coleman system. It's a package heat pump with electric strips. And as you saw in the first clip, we had a tripped breaker. Okay. As you probably already know, if you have years of experience with HVAC systems, and you get to a home, breaker's tripped, a lot of times you already start to figure out where to look first, especially with a particular brand. And this Coleman, in the past, you may have seen a video where I had a horrible run-in with Coleman. They're not all bad. That might have been anecdotal, but this one isn't that old either. And I have other videos showing how to diagnose a bad compressor, the different various methods. I'm not going to go into that, but the method I used to figure out that this one was bad was reading the ohms, or the resistance. And I can briefly do it right now again. Okay, it's always hard to do it with just one hand, so bear with me here. Okay, got it right there. So they're not touching each other, okay? I'm reading my leads there, and we are at 42K, so 42,000 in ohms or resistance. And if we look at one of the other legs, or one of the other windings on this compressor, you will see 1.5, and that is pretty normal. Not 1,000, just 1.4, 1.5. So this compressor is what we call a high resistance ground. All right, so the only other thing I would check before I obviously condemn this compressor is just to see how much, if there's refrigerant in the system. And also these units, again, if you have years of knowing or dealing with a specific brand that has a specific set of problems, you can also do things like, just go ahead, in this case, order a thermal expansion valve with it, because these are known to have bad thermal expansion valves, and that of course can cause the compressor, after various months or even years of running, either under lubricated or flooding with too much refrigerant, can cause it to go out prematurely. Okay, so just wanted to share that with you. Let me know what your guys' experience has been with the Coleman line, which, from what I understand, if I'm not mistaken, I don't do too many of these, but from what I understand is this is just a York rebranded, right? So, okay. Well, that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Give you the whole spin here. Doesn't look like the cleanest installation, in my opinion. Looks like they might have reused the elbow there. But yeah, that's what we got.